Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today we're going to make a sunflower crunch chop salad. It is going to be a delicious summer salad for you to make this week. So without further ado, let's take a look at our ingredients. We will need a red cabbage and a green cabbage along with kale, bacon bits, sugar, carrots, sunflower seeds, apple cider vinegar, mayo, and I have garlic, salt, and pepper. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. So without further ado, let's get this party started. So the first thing we're going to do is cut up our vegetables. So we have our head of cabbage. I like to cut off the bottom part first. Pull off the outer shell of the cabbage. It is so beautiful outside, ladies and gentlemen. When I finish this video, I'm going to walk the neighborhood. We are having gorgeous weather here in our city. We're going to use a half a cabbage, okay, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to take the core out of here. And we're going to do the same thing for our head of green cabbage. This is going to be a very colorful and beautiful salad, ladies and gentlemen. My kitchen counter is clean, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all know me. Guess I should have got a larger cutting board, huh, y'all? We're just gonna dice our cabbage. Now, once we have our red cabbage diced, we're just gonna place it into our bowl. And then we're gonna dice the head of the small green cabbage, ladies and gentlemen. And we're gonna repeat the same steps. Take off the outer skin or the outer layer. Now you definitely want to take that core out of there, ladies and gentlemen. We having difficulties cutting through this morning. Come through, knife. What is the situation? Okay, here we go. Now it's cooperating, y'all. I may have to sharpen this knife. It has been utilized. And we're going to cut this the same way into our bite-sized pieces. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the other half of the green cabbage. And I have it in this bowl here. So I'm just going to slide it in there with the purple cabbage. Yeah, I know if y'all in the neighborhood, come on by and get you some delicious salad. I'm going to set that aside. Just rinse our kale off, and I'll be right back. Now that we have our kale rinsed, we just want to make sure, normally when I rinse it, I pull off these dead ends. And I'm going to dry it on a paper towel because we definitely don't want our kale to go in there inside our salad being wet, ladies and gentlemen, right? We don't want a wet salad. It won't last long if it's wet. I'm just looking for any dead leaves. We're not going to use the stem. So this is how I normally do all of my greens. You just take the bottom, you hold on to the leaves, and you just pull that stem right off of there, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. Again, just take it from the bottom, and you're just going to pull those leaves off of there. I love kale because it's so crunchy. So let's just chop up our kale. Yeah, we want to make sure everything's diced very small, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Throw that into our dish. That should be sufficient. Now that we have our cabbages diced along with our kale, let's add in our bacon bits. Now, if you want to add more bacon bits, you may, ladies and gentlemen, it's really up to you. Add some sunflower seeds and our carrots. We need some color, right? Let's use some carrots. And I may add some more carrots in here. In fact, I think I will add about another handful of carrots so that we can have a nice color. There we go. Now, y'all know me. I'm going straight in and mixing it with my hands, okay? If you want to do it another way, you may do that. The main thing is to mix everything together, okay? Once we come back, we're gonna make a nice dressing to go over our sunflower crunch chopped salad. This is good, y'all. I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna be delicious, very healthy for you. So I decided to transfer it over to a larger bowl so we can work with it. I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar, ladies and gentlemen. And let's mix that together. That will keep our salad from spoiling and turning brown pretty much, ladies and gentlemen. I love using apple cider vinegar. Y'all know, I normally have my apple cider vinegar water each morning. Okay, so that will hold, and now we're ready to work on our salad dressing. And this salad dressing is going to be delicious, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with our mayo. And y'all know I'm actually using Miracle Whip. Y'all know I don't use mayo in my house unless it's mandatory. We're gonna add some sugar, tad bit more apple cider vinegar, and then our garlic, salt, and pepper. Now, if you want to use the garlic cloves, that's fine. Let me get a whisk. Whisk that together. If you want to double the amount I'm using, you may do so, but I think this would be sufficient for the amount of salad that we have, but I may add more. We'll see. That's the creaminess we're looking for our salad dressing, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Just like that. And let me sample it. Oh yeah, that's on point, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're just gonna pour our salad dressing mix directly on top. And we're going to combine that together. And y'all know I'm using my hands again. Let's combine all of this together. This is going to be a delicious salad, y'all. Easy to make. Y'all go ahead and like the video. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 4,500 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment or question below, and I'll be sure to respond. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. So we're just going to mix this salad dressing in very well, ladies and gentlemen. And I would highly recommend that you refrigerate this for about an hour, hour and a half before you actually serve it. Because you definitely want to have a chilled salad. But I'm going to actually sample this for you all today. Give me 1 second. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is our sunflower crunch chopped salad. I'm gonna top it off with some cranberries and some pecans. Break that up a little bit. And if y'all want to know, this is the bag I'm using. It's a mixture of the cranberries and pecans together. Look at all those beautiful colors in there. All right, I'm ready to dig in. Let me get some for you. Y'all get a bite? Now, of course, if you want to add more of the salad dressing, you may. How does that look to you guys? Y'all get a bite? I'm telling y'all, this sunflower crunch chopped salad is a winner. Y'all must make this recipe. I'd like to thank you again for watching the video. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video. Y'all remain safe.